I'm Danielle with WTI, and these Cricut pens have been such a great addition to my Cricut machine and to my crafting in general. I love the variety of colors that it comes with, 30 to be exact, because it allows me to do a number of different designs and a number of different techniques. They are also very easy to use and they work really well with my machine. I have no issues no matter what task I'm doing. It could be greeting cards, it could be writing, text and flashcards, it could be drawing. Whatever it is, they work perfectly. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't have a Cricut machine? Well, guess what? These can be used as a regular pen. I 100% use these in my everyday life. Or maybe my crafting project doesn't involve using the machine. I can still use them without it. They have a nice fine tip, which I personally love because it makes whatever I'm writing look neat and precise. They write really well and smooth, and they do not bleed if I use them on regular pages. Whether you're crafting or maybe you just want some really quality pens, I think you'll really like these. That's my point of view.